everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know what you're thinking, why haven't I done spring rolls yet? Well, today is the day. I'm gonna show you my mom's recipe for peanut sauce because it's summertime and we are getting ready to make spring rolls. So let me show you how to make the peanut sauce. Let's go. This is what you're gonna need: some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, a cup of water, a cup of peanut butter. You could use smooth or chunky, up to you. About a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, some soy sauce, coconut milk, and this is optional, brown sugar, and chili paste, and of course salt and pepper. Alright, you got everything you need. Let's get started. So you're going to start by turning your heat to medium, and I'm using just a little saucepan here. Then we're going to add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Let that get hot. Add in all your garlic. Stir it around. And right when your garlic gets golden, you're going to add your water. You don't want to burn this garlic. Okay? It's about as golden as you want it. Once it's golden like this, and it could go from golden to burnt really fast. So you gotta have your water on hand. Add in your cup of water. Your cup of peanut butter. Usually I use chunky, but I ran out and all I have is smooth. Quarter cup of hoisin sauce, and you might want to measure this out, but I don't like to measure anything, so I do it all by feel. You know, you're gonna stir it up. And once this comes up to a boil, the sauce will come together. It's going to be like magic. You're going to watch it thicken right before your eyes. It's really cool. And we're going to add our soy sauce. I like to use liquid aminos. You can use low sodium. If you use regular sodium, you're going to watch out and make sure you don't add too much salt so that it doesn't get too salty. I love making this sauce. It's so good. It's a crowd pleaser. Everybody loves peanut sauce. Except for maybe if you're allergic to peanut sauce, then you'd have to maybe like soy sauce. Okay. This is where I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And if you've watched my other videos, you've seen me make chili oil. I'm going to add some of that in. I'll link it in this video. Love myself chili oil. Mix nice stir. Look at this. See how the sauce just came together as it gets hot? So as it gets hotter, I'm just going to lower the heat. Now we're just simmering. Pinch of salt, sea salt, pinch of black pepper. If you have Vietnamese pepper, that's even better. Now add in about a half a cup of coconut milk. This is going to make your peanut sauce so rich and creamy and just so decadent and light, but also filling at the same time. Sometimes I've added sriracha to this. I've added sambal to this. You really can make it your own. I've seen people add a little bit of vinegar to this to make it more sour. My mom likes to add lime to hers, like right when she's serving it. Some people like it a little zestier. You know, the sweet, the sour, the spicy. Look at that. Once it warms up, it gets thicker. And you get to choose how thick you want it. If you want it thicker, you let it reduce a little bit more. If you want it on the little thinner side, then you just cut off the heat. So it's really up to you how thick you want it. And I like to do this. Don't. Heck yes. Gonna turn off the heat now. Okay, so here you have it, friends. My delicious peanut sauce for your spring rolls. You could even put this on top of vermicelli noodles and toppings and everything. It's so good. If you want to check out my spring roll recipe, I'll probably put it right here or there. But I hope you enjoy it. I hope you make it and let me know how yours turned out, okay? Alright, see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share.